If you're tired of low growth, hair breakage, and dry and brittle hair, our HairGlam'd collection is perfect for you. Our shampoo lifts dirt off your scalp and stimulates, allowing for our conditioner to come in and moisturize your hair with our vitamins that keep your hair soft and manageable. Our shampoo and conditioner can also be used safely on extensions. Our main genius LeaveIn conditioner is a daily healthy maintenance. It can be used to hydrate and detangle and is also safe for extensions. Use on wet hair to cut down your dry time. Keep your hair stimulated and growing with our hair growth serum, which promotes growth to your scalp. It has aloe vera in the formula to repair your scalp of any irritations. You may also use it on a daily basis to regrow your edges and maintain your hairline health. Our hair Smoothie Mousse is everything. This tames your frizz, adds volume, and can also be used for molding. Finish off your look with our main grip edge control. It keeps your edges healthy and growing without flaking, and it lasts for up to 2 days. Don't forget to check out our variety of raw virgin hair extensions to blend with your natural hair flawlessly. Shop now with HairGlam'd. We look forward to giving you your dream hair.